In this century, gadgets and technology are growing so fast. But in this video, we want to talk about the gadgets and technology about gardening. These companies make the new gadgets, they are smarter than us, and there are so many gadgets and tools appearing often for things we didn't even know we need. Some of these gadgets are life-changing. Go to see this video and review all these gadgets together. Before seeing this video, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and ring the bell for the next videos.
Number 1. Smart sprinkler controls. A smart sprinkler system can help you gain more control and efficiency over your garden water use. A sprinkler system managed with an app is pretty amazing. You can plan and change watering schedules right from your living room and tailor setting to specific zones of the yard or garden. This intelligent system accesses your soil type, climate, season, and plant type to determine the best watering schedule for your situation. Many even have innovative technology that prevents watering when it is raining or when the temperature is below freezing. This is a great way to save money on water bills. Water conservation is also good for the planet. If you have more than one property, a smart sprinkler system is a dream to ensure the landscape is maintained in all locations. There are many options in the market for a sprinkler system. They are a bit expensive but seem like a good investment. Number 2. Robotic lawnmower. Robotic lawnmowers can be a big time saver, but they do have their limitations. Lawn mowing is a chore and we support all efforts to minimize the time spent doing it. Robotic lawnmower look like a bigger version of the popular in-home automatic vacuum cleaner. But this one cuts grass, set up boundaries, blade size, and schedule, and your lawn will be looking fantastic with a drop of sweat. These electric mowers move around yard objects using a special sensor and even duck themselves if they sense rain. Not only do robotic lawnmowers take the work away, but they also are super quiet, such change from loud gas mowers. Maybe you want to invest in one of these for your neighbors too. Robotic lawnmowers aren't cheap and there are a lot of inferior ones out there, so do your research before buying. They are also limited as to how large a yard that they can handle. Number 3. Soil moisture meter. If you struggle to know when and how much to water your garden plants, you might find the soil moisture meter helpful. Knowing when to water can be tricky. Some plants like dry soil while others consistently moist soil, and moisture levels vary at different depths. The soil meter measures the moisture level and gives you a readout. Then you can know for sure whether you need to water or not. If you struggle with the watering, this might be a handy tool. It takes all the guesswork away. Folks who have been gardening for a while likely won't need a tool like this. While the accuracy is nice, gardeners have relied on the time-honored stick your finger in the soil and see for yourself method for centuries. Number 4. Wireless rain gauge systems. Smart wireless rain gauges tell you just how much rainfall you've had from the comfort of your home. Rainfall is a vital component of outdoor gardening. A day of rain can determine your watering schedule for the next week. Knowing the exact rainfall in inches is knowing how much water your plants receive. The wireless rain gauge measures precipitation and stores that information for future use. Of course, there are static rain gauges that you put in the ground and then physically check after it rains to see the accumulation. This worked fine, but you'd have to write it down somewhere to keep tracks. Plus, you have to be at the location to see the gauge. A smart rain gauge stores the information and you can compare month to month and year to year, so you can anticipate and plan garden watering schedules. Many also displays humidity and temperature, make it a convenient device. Number 5. Motion activated sprinkler animal deterrent. Motion-activated water sprinklers harmlessly send harmful garden visitors away. There are a lot of tech gadgets for getting rid of garden pests. but it doesn't seem easy to find one that actually works. According to users, this is a sprinkler that sends a spray of water to unsuspecting garden visitors get good results. Deer, raccoons, bunnies, and nosy neighbors will get a deterring spray if they activate the sensor. Just be careful, it is not huge. They are not terribly expensive either. Number 6. A smart watering pot. Houseplants can be tricky to keep, but not if you have a smart pot to grow them in. The intention behind this is pretty neat. It is a plant pot with sensors in it that monitor moisture, light, and temperatures. This sensor triggers watering when the soil is dry, and the entire thing is managed through a smartphone app. The smart pot tells you when to move it in or out of the darker light, or when it is too cold or warm. This would be a dream for folks who travel a lot and have to leave their precious plants home. In practice, tough. It seems these need a lot more design improvements. Reviews are not great, with reports of watering getting into the battery compartment and other struggles. Maybe someday in the near future we can have plant pots that manage the care all on their own. Would that be sweet? Number 7. Plant sensor. These plant sensors are a pass until their function and performance can live up to their cost. The idea behind this high-tech gadget is neat. You stick the sensor into the ground and it will tell you which plants to put there based on sun, humidity, temperature, and soil conditions. Then once the ideal plant is in the ground, the sensor monitors the plant's health in that location. For example, if the plant needs watering, the sensor will alert you. According to users, while the concept is intriguing, the reality falls far short. The technology malfunctions regularly, making it frustrating to use. Also, it's one sensor per planet, so if you have a lot of plants you want to monitor, this gets pricey fast. For now, avoid this gadget until the tech is fully functional. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope this video make your gardening easier and faster. See you later.